What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Google Gmail password. So first you need to head over to your Gmail and then you need to click on settings here on the right side at the top. And after clicking on settings, you need to click on see all settings. And after clicking on see all settings, the new settings window will open. And when the settings window is open, you just simply need to click on accounts and import, and then you need to click on change password. After clicking on change password here in the new tab, it will just verify that it's a real you, and then you need to enter your PIN. After entering your PIN here, it will ask you to enter your old password if it asked for, but if it doesn't ask, you can just simply write your new password. As you can see, I have written my passkey and then it directly showed me to write my new password. So I just simply need to enter my password here and then I just simply need to retype my same password here. And after that, when I am done, I just simply need to click on this change password button here in the blue color and then my password will be changed. So this is how you can reset your password in Gmail. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.